This really great utility cart from Garvee has so many different functions. Now, I'm going to take a space in my patio area that's just used with miscellaneous pieces, just looks so junky, and organize it on this beautiful utility cart. Now, this utility cart is well made out of steel, and it is on casters, so it has a 360-degree turn to it, and I also can lock these caster wheels like that whenever I want to. They keep it sturdy in place. Now, I have a lot of equipment outside, including things that need to be charged, like my pool robot cleaners, and this will allow me to store multiple levels and not use so much foot space. I have it awkwardly set up on a chair here, and look how it has cleaned up this space. Because I can use it for multiple things, and it's very strong, I have been able to save this much space that was wasted on ugly storage of machine. This is clean and sleek and slender, and it's very strong. It can hold a lot of weight. Now, here are the measurements and details about this great cart. First, it can actually have 4 levels. Here I have it set up with 3. It comes with that 4th panel. It measures 18 inches deep, 22 inches high, and 19 inches wide. Whether you're using it for a home network system, an AV system, professional IT equipment, or outdoor machines like I am, the open frame rack provides strength and durability and can hold up to 500 pounds. It also includes wall mounting hardware if you choose. And look at all the extra space I've saved by cleaning up my area. I love this equipment, and I'm so happy to have it. I'm really highly recommending it. It's really such a great piece. I'm so happy to have it. Organizing my electronics or anything else that you might need in your garage or in your home or in your pantry or any place that you need strong storage. And the casters are just a really nice touch. This was provided for me, for my honest opinion, and I give it home organization A+. It is really wonderful, and I think you'll really like it. I hope you liked this video and found it useful and can find a use for this in your home. If you like this video, please like it and follow us for more great videos from this fine company, Garvee, and also others like it.